This is absolutely crazy. The Bitcoin price is breaking out right here, right now, and many of the indicators that I've been following here on this channel are starting to flip bullish. Could this be the beginning of another massive bull run towards a new all-time high? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that we've been paying very close attention to this red box range of potential resistance. It's had so much historic price action confluence in it, dating all the way back into early 2021, and I've been watching this zone like a hawk with an eagle eye, awaiting to see the response from market participants. And what do you know, folks? Whoopsies! The bulls cut through it like a hot knife through butter. Let's get this crypto. So right now, this is looking bullish to me from a horizontal resistance perspective. If we were going to get rejected, I would have expected it to happen lower down in the trend, possibly here around 39,000, or a gain here possibly at about 42,000. But right now, at the time of recording, Bitcoin is up above 43,000. This is nice from a trend structure perspective. And before we even get into anything else, we need to address the elephant in the room. We're going to the weekly time frame and we're going to the line break chart. This is a candlestick chart that I assure you no one else on YouTube is going to show you this chart and or analyze the chart unless they start copying me, which we all know. Everybody secretly watches the Don. They usually give me no credit, but they secretly watch and then they show my analysis on their stream and try and take credit for it, yada, yada, yada. But I digress. Here we are on the weekly time frame line break chart. Now, I showed you guys this and was explaining that the way the line break chart works, it only creates a new candle when we see a close above the prior candle. So you see here now, we've started this week green here. Why? Because the last prior high here was roughly 41,875, and this week we closed above it, right? So now we have a new candle formed here. Now, it is still going to take the full week here to see how this candle winds up closing, but right now, folks, the big takeaway is that we do have a green candle here after a series of red candles down. All right. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know how powerful this is, because if we go back throughout history, nearly every time that we've seen a red candle followed by a green candle body close on the weekly time frame, we have seen continued upside action to follow. Even right there, we had it. Right here, we had it. Here, 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 here. Let's go to the logarithmic scale just so it's easier to see. Here, 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 here. You get the picture. So right now, even though past performance does not indicate future results, right now, folks, although we don't have the true weekly close yet, we have to wait till next Sunday evening to see where this ends up. Right now, for the first time in quite some time, we are seeing a green candle built here on the line break chart. Let's get this crypto. This is very, very powerful in my opinion, ladies and gentlemen, as we have seen a tendency for the Bitcoin price to remain bullish once we see this turn green. Let's get this crypto. Now let's move along. And you know what? Just in case I didn't explain this thoroughly enough, so basically what we're seeing right now with this green candle is step one of two. Step one was closing last week's candle above the prior, right? Now we have to see where this week closes, because if it can close above last week's candle, just like it did yesterday, then folks, we would have a solid green candle here. And that is what we've seen in the past. And that is what has led to some absolutely monster bull rallies for the Bitcoin price. Let's get this crypto. Now let's switch over to the weekly time frame Heikin Ashi candlestick chart. This is another fractal that I showed you guys on yesterday's stream. Seriously, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Welcome to the channel. I showed you that over the last 8 times that we've seen the trend go from red candles down to then paint a green candle, that we've seen continued upside action. We had it there, 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 right? The only time that this failed in recent history was right here, ladies and gentlemen, back in May of 2021. It was a fake out, right? So just understand that there are no certainties or guarantees in trading. Past performance does not indicate future results, right? Because in this scenario here, just imagine what I'm saying, right? Say we saw the fractal that had occurred there, 4 times in a row on that very specific uptrend that it worked out in the bull's favor, right? The Don could have showed you this up here, right? And then, whoopsies, it takes a trip deep down into the crypto abyss, and everybody would have said, Don, this guy, always wrecked, always wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, these half-brained degenerates, they have to understand that there are no certainties or guarantees in trading, right? Just because we've seen this fractal playing out so often throughout this very particular bull run, I mean, it doesn't have to continue moving forward. But what I'm showing you right here, right now, is that we did in fact paint a green candle here. And the last several times that this has occurred, good things have happened from a bullish perspective. So I'm just putting this on your radar. This, in my opinion, is a very, very nice potential bullish constructive look here. And I just wanted to show you that. Now let's get back to the daily chart. An indicator that I've been closely following on the daily is the Keltner channels indicator, and you guys can see that we clearly flipped bearish here, right? Instead of seeing the majority of the action trading towards the top of the band and using the bottom as support, it flipped. The majority of the price action was trading towards the bottom and using the top as resistance. Classic bearish flip on the Keltner channels indicator, and we just weren't seeing any type of confirmation here on this indicator that the bottom could have been in, right? Every time that we tested up into the top half, we got rejected. But what do you know, folks? Right here, right now, we've seen the middle line, which has acted as resistance not once, not twice, but thrice on this current downtrend. We've seen it get broken here, and right now, Bitcoin is testing the top of the band, which per this indicator, this is bullish. What you're looking for are clues as to where the momentum may be headed. And right now, with this candle pushing the top of the Keltner channel band, and possibly if it continues to rise, piercing through it, just like this to the downside here, this to the downside here, this to the downside here, if we can start to get some candles piercing through the top of the Keltner channel band, folks, this could be a very, very bullish sign indeed. And what we'd be looking for then is for the bottom half or the median line of the Keltner channel band to then start to act as possible support on the way up when we see corrections. Let's get this crypto. So right now, this look that we're seeing right here is very different than what we've seen on this entire downtrend. So, of course, again, there are no certainties or guarantees in trading, and corrections to the downside are always to be expected. Well, I think this is a nice piece of bullish construction here. As this indicator has been very, very bearish over the past several months, and this right here, it just looks different than what we've seen throughout the past, right? Let me know with a comment down below. To me, it looks different. Do you think it looks different? Leave me a comment down below. I appreciate your reply. So to me right now, this trend does appear to potentially have bullish momentum behind it, and I am personally speculating long here. Shout out to my VIPs. You guys know I have been keeping you up to date in absolute real time with all of my trade setup ideas, strategy ideas, entry ideas, and potential take profit ideas in absolute real time as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not already in my VIP, I keep you up to date in absolute real time with all of that. So if you're not already in there, well, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And just understand here, ladies and gentlemen, that right now we could experience whipsaw volatility inside this range. When you see moves of this magnitude, especially coming off of an absolutely insane short squeeze, volatility is to be expected, in my opinion. Right now, I'm watching this market like a hawk with an eagle eye. I'm keeping my finger on the pulse, the heartbeat of this market right now to potentially crush this next market move in whichever direction it breaks, up or down, the Don does not care. I'm just always looking for that next trade setup idea to potentially crush it like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can and get this crypto. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not already in my VIP, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. Do not miss my next important VIP trade setup idea and alert. Seriously, don't miss the next one. And until next time, folks, if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate your thumbs up. And if you're brand new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all. Welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Welcome to the channel. And until next time, my friends, I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Don't miss my next important real-time trade setup idea and alert. Let's get this crypto. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.